Solving 6a, undoing both multiplication and addition to get the unknown alone. Take a screenshot, get out your pencil and paper, and follow along with me. Number 1, x plus 8 equals 40. I want to get x alone. 8 is attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 32. Number 2, 4x equals 32. I want to solve for x. 4 is attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. My x is alone. 32 over 4 is 8. Number 3, 4x plus 8 equals 40. If this looks suspiciously like number 1 and number 2 put together, it is, because now we have two things attached to our x, 8 by addition, 4 by multiplication. If we take a look at PEMDAS, packages, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. To undo something attached by addition, we do its partner action to the other side of the equal sign, subtraction. To undo something attached to our unknown by multiplication, we do division to the other side of our equal sign. And as always, when we're solving, we actually undo PEMDAS. First we undo subtraction, then addition, then division, then multiplication. Let's get started. So first I have 8 attached by addition. I'll move it first by subtraction. And then I have the 4 attached by multiplication. I'll move it by its partner, division, to the other side of the equal sign. Now that my x is alone, I'll do the arithmetic to clean it up. Top first. 40 minus 8 is 32 over 4 equals x. 32 over 4 is equal to 8. Number 4, 3x plus 9 equals 12. I want to get x alone. 9 is attached by addition, 3 by multiplication. First I undo addition. 9 is attached by add, move it by subtract to the other side of the equal sign. 3 is attached to x by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Now I'll do the arithmetic. 12 minus 9 is 3 over 3. 3 over 3 equals 1. Number 5, 12 plus 5x equals 37. I have 12 attached by addition. I have 5 attached by multiplication. First I undo addition. I'm going to subtract it to the other side of the equal sign. Keep your eye on the prize. 5 is attached to x by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Clean up this math. 37 minus 12 is 25 over 5 is 5. Number 6, 300 equals 150 plus 2x. Here's my unknown. I want to get it alone. 2 is attached by multiplication. 150 is attached by addition. First thing we undo is addition. And we have to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And remember, subtraction always has to follow. So I didn't leave room, but I'm going to keep going. 2 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Now I can clean it up. 300 minus 150 is 150 all over 2. 150 divided by 2 is 75. 75 equals x. Number 7, 23 plus 2x equals 33. 23 is attached by addition. 2 is attached by multiplication. First we undo addition. Minus 23 to the other side of the equal sign. 2 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 33 minus 23 is 10 over 2. 10 over 2 equals 5. Number 8, 49 equals 14x plus 49. I want to get x alone. First undo addition by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. Now I want to get x alone. 14 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. X is alone. Now I turn my attention over here. 49 minus 49 is 0. 0 over 14 is 0. I might have seen that in the beginning, but really all I do is keep my eye on my unknown with the goal of getting it alone. Number 9, 55 plus 10x equals 105. 55 is attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. Whoops, that's a 55. Notice I caught that it was 55 because when I looked back to cross it out, I saw that this was 55 and I had written 50. So I always move it, then cross it out. Otherwise, I can make a mistake that I thought it was 50, but then I saw it was 55 and I was able to fix it. 10's attached by multiplication, move it by division. X equals 105 minus 55 is 50 over 10 equals 5. Number 10, 3 halves plus 4x equals 5 halves. 3 halves is attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. 4 is attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 5 halves minus 3 halves. There is a common denominator here, so I could just do that. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 2 all over 4. 2 over 2 is 1. My answer is 1/4. I did it right. These are the try-its for lesson 6A, where we're undoing multiplication and addition or subtraction to get our unknown alone. So take a screenshot, grab a pencil and paper, and follow along with me. Number 1, x plus 5 equals 40. I want to get x alone. 5 is attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 35. Number 2, 7x equals 35. I want to get x alone. 7 is attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. That eliminates it. Now I just reduce. X equals 5. Number 3, 7x plus 5 equals 40. This looks like 1 and 2 put together because it is. So we're going to take a look at PEMDAS. And in order to get our unknown alone, we undo PEMDAS. Undo subtraction, undo addition, undo division, undo multiplication. To undo addition, you subtract to the other side of the equal sign. To undo division, you multiply to the other side of the equal sign. And we first start with our subtraction or addition. So we have 5 attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. Now I want to get x alone. 7 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. X equals 40 minus 5 is 35 over 7, which is 5. Number 4, 10x plus 2 equals 202. I want to get x alone. 2 is attached by addition, move it by subtraction. 10 is attached by multiplication, move it by division. I've solved for x. Now I'm going to clean it up. 202 minus 2 is 200 over 10. The ending zeros can cancel each other, and my final answer is 20. Number 5, 1 plus 15x equals 46. 1's attached by addition, move it by subtraction. 15's attached by multiplication, move it by division. I'm done. Now I can do the arithmetic. 46 minus 1 is 45 over 15 equals 3. Start now. Number 6, 77 equals 11 plus 6x. 11 is attached on the side with the x by addition. Move it by subtraction. The 6 is attached to x by multiplication. Move it by division. My x is alone. 77 minus 11 is 66. Over 6 is 11. Number 7. 7 plus 12x equals 89. I want to get x alone. 7's attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. 12's attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm done. My x is alone. 89 minus 7 is 82 over 12. So let's see. I know that 12 times 4 is 48. Add another 12, and that would be 12 times 5 is 60. Add another 12, and it is 72, and that was one more, which was 6. So this reduces to 6. Number 8, 2 2/3 equals 5x plus 1. I want to get x alone. 1's attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. I want to get x alone. 5's attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm done, but I'm going to clean this up. 2 2/3. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8/3 minus 1 over 5. I have to get common denominator here, so I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3. That's going to give me 8/3 minus 3 over 3 all over 5. I still write this because I don't want to forget by the time I'm done subtracting these fractions. The bottoms match, so I could write this as 8 minus 3 over 3 all over 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 over 3 all over 5. I have a complex fraction here. I have 5/3 divided by 5. So put the 5 over 1, flip the bottom over, put it at the top. So I get 1 over 5. That undoes the division. Now this is multiply. Multiply tops. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. But really that 15 was 3 times 5. And 5 over 5 reduces to 1. I get 1/3 is x. Number 9, 5 plus 2 plus 11x equals 84. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 11x equals 84. Keep your eye on the prize. I want to get the x alone. 7's attached by addition. It moves by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. 11's attached by multiplication. It moves by division to the other side of the equal sign. 84 minus 7. I have to borrow 1 from the 8, which leaves 7. Make that 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus nothing is 7. Okay, I'm getting x equals 77 over 11, which reduces to 7. Number 10, 1 plus 4x equals 5/2. I want to get x alone. 1's attached by addition. Move it by subtraction. 4 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. So I have 5/2 minus 1. I can make this into 2 over 2, which is the same as 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 2, all over 4. I'm going to make this 4 as 4 over 1. Flip the bottom over, put it at the top, 1/4. To multiply fractions, you multiply tops. 3 times 1 is 3. Multiply bottoms. 2 times 4 is 8. All done.